Guys, in today's one we take a look at the top 3 humanoid robots on the market. Meet Digit, the newest robot from Agility Robotics. Although still in testing, Digit is strong enough to pick up and stack boxes weighing up to 40 pounds, 18 kilograms, as well as durable enough to catch itself during a fall using its arms to decelerate. In addition to the physical changes, the control system for Digit has been overhauled to enable advanced behaviors such as stair climbing and footstep planning, all controlled through a robust API that can be accessed both on board the robot and via a wireless link. Further, Digit's torso houses 2 multi-core CPUs, and a modular payload bay allows a third computer. Out of the box, Digit will be up and walking within 5 minutes, even for users who are not legged locomotion control researchers. Most of our CASI customers were specifically interested in developing controllers for legged locomotion, said Dr. Damian Shelton, CEO and co-founder of Agility. Pepper. Pepper is the world's first social humanoid robot able to recognize faces and basic human emotions. Pepper was optimized for human interaction and is able to engage with people through conversation on his touchscreen. Pepper is the world's first social humanoid robot able to recognize faces and basic human emotions. Pepper was optimized for human interaction and is able to engage with people through conversation on his touchscreen. Pepper is available today for businesses and schools. Over 2,000 companies around the world have adopted Pepper as an assistant to welcome, inform and guide visitors in an innovative way. A robot designed to interact with humans. Standing 120 centimeters tall, Pepper has no trouble in perceiving his environment and entering into a conversation when he sees a person. The touchscreen on his chest displays content to highlight messages and support speech. His curvy design ensures danger-free use and a high level of acceptance by users. Atlas, the world's most dynamic humanoid robot. Atlas is a research platform designed to push the limits of whole-body mobility. Atlas's advanced control system and state-of-the-art hardware give the robot the power and balance to demonstrate human-level agility. Atlas has one of the world's most compact mobile hydraulic systems. Custom motors, valves, and a compact hydraulic power unit enable Atlas to deliver high power to any of its 28 hydraulic joints for impressive feats of mobility. Atlas's advanced control system enables highly diverse and agile locomotion, while algorithms reason through complex dynamic interactions involving the whole body and environment to plan movements. Atlas uses 3D printed parts to give it the strength-to-weight ratio necessary for leaps and somersaults. Height: 1.5 meters. Weight: 80 kilograms. This is GPR-1. It's a general-purpose robotic avatar, designed to help its human pilot accomplish a diverse range of tasks. Sanctuary's mission is to democratize work, with labor-as-a-service general-purpose robotic avatars, making it possible for anyone to do any job from anywhere and at any time they choose. We are making work safer, more accessible, and ultimately more productive. Using cutting-edge technology and artificial intelligence, cognition, and robotics, the startup company are delivering immediate customer value with labor as a service. From agriculture to energy, healthcare to logistics, retail to construction, and everything in between, on this planet or any other planet, the possibilities are literally out of this world. Now let's take a deeper look, and let the guys from Sanctuary AI show what the robot can do.
Fantastic.
Oh, that was a good one.